will need paints, templates of animals, cardboard, glue, a flat brush, an X-Acto knife, some wool and talcum powder. We will start by sticking the animals onto cardboard like this. Now we will cut out the animals with the help of an X-Acto knife. Now we will paint the animals. I am using red, orange, green and blue for this. Now I will add some talcum powder into a bowl and add some white glue. The consistency should be like a paste. Add some white acrylic paint into the bowl. And don't forget to mix it well. Now I have made this cone and now I am going to put the paste into it. Once it is done, fold and secure it with cello tape. Once done, cut a little part of the point. Now add some designs onto the animals. Once done, put it in the order you like. Now take a piece of yarn and make a knot at the top. Like this. Cut off the excess part. Now we will turn it around and put the thread on top and we will secure it with cello tape. And our wall hanging is ready.